market recap for the day. It's gonna be a quick video, so get your popcorn. Take some notes. What are we looking at? We're looking at SPX over here. SPX is in consolidation mode. When it does this, you just want to put your hands together and do nothing. So we just consolidating between 6740 and 6752. 50. Yeah. So kind of look like it's doing a rounding bottom. So if it can break this area 6760, I get my little tool over here. So if this price right here can break 6760 or 6759.8, it can definitely go up to the upside. So you've seen since this morning, it just took a complete dump. It consolidated for a while around, what's this number right here? Consolidated around here from 6801, then it consolidated back and forth to 6792. You've seen it tried for a while, and these are 1 minute candles. So it couldn't break, so it just totally just took a drop. I mean, like they threw it off a cliff. So let's see, now it's trying to bounce up. It'll play these games, so you gotta have a lot of patience. You kinda gotta be like the spider, and the web gotta be your discipline. So
that's how you gotta do it. So just
hold tight, hold strong,
and be patient. Be patient. You gotta get this stuff right if you want to make money. You can't be running your mouth hoping that you're gonna make $1 when you can't stop touching the keys on your keyboard. You just gotta sit, wait, and look. Sometimes the best thing to do is nothing. Nothing at all.
So over here we got Facebook, and we got Robinhood. Everything's in consolidation. Everything we're looking at is on the 1 minute. Over here we got Google. Google's getting a lot of attention for their Waymo self-driving car. So it's getting a lot of attention. But let's see what the real, what you're doing. This is the 10-second, 1 minute, 5 minute. Clean this up a little bit. Boom. All right. So this is the 5 minute, and this is the daily. The daily's telling you the macro picture over here. So it's showing that it's been going down for a while, from 320 all the way down to 300. This is the Google, but everything is just going down today. But usually about 11, 12, or 1 o'clock Eastern. 1 o'clock Central. 1 o'clock Central. That's when these things starts bouncing back. They make some really good, nice, clean price action. So just be patient. Make you a couple, bucks. Get green, get out. But what are we looking at? Tesla. Still consolidating between the 475 and the 479. What is this? The 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute. So it's consolidating. Let's see. Go to the heat map. And as we're seeing a lot of red. The only thing in the green today is most likely energy, minerals, utilities, stuff like that. So but just gotta sit still. Sometimes the best thing to do in days like this is nothing. Just set up your alarms. And then if you don't see a good, clean trade, just don't take it. Just don't take it. Don't take that
trade. If you don't see quality in the trade, don't do it.
And that's just how you keep your money in your pocket and not give it away.
So we're going to
make this video short and quick, and make sure you like,
share, and subscribe. But if you want anything, I'll tell you what. we're gonna put another 2 minutes on this video. The most important thing of trading is your mental psychology. You got to get your discipline right. The stock market is not taking your money. It's you, you know. Trading psychology is key. That's 90% psychology, 10% strategy, 10% skill. But the market's nothing more than a mirror. I mean, it's just telling you who you really are, showing you your greed, showing you your fear, and it's showing you your emotions. It's just a mirror of who you really are. You know, you just got to put all those things together, take notes, journal your trades, you know, read books about trading psychology, and over time work on your master your discipline, master your skill, and eventually, you know, you won't be chasing money, you'll be attracting money. You'll be like a magnet. So we're gonna cut this short. I figure I'll bring that across your attention. Anybody having a hard time, and remember, so look, NVIDIA's doing a nice little curl. You see how it's like, get my little tool right here. These are really nice when you can get in early. Let's see, where's my little tool at? Right here. I'm painting a beautiful picture. Look at this. Look at that, beautiful. Alright. So if it can do something like this, usually they call this a kind of like a cup and handle. You know, you see, you got the cup. You got the cup over here, and you got the handle. Usually those are good moves, but you gotta keep an eye on that SPX, because that SPX pulls a lot of weight. But the main thing, we need this bad boy to go this way. But I think we made this video a little too long. Y'all have a good day. Keep updated with these videos. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Get notified every day. I make a video Monday through Friday. Maybe on weekends, but usually Monday through Friday every day. So this is who is this? This is the SPX. Looking at Tesla over here. We're gonna go back to SPX. We're gonna go back to SPX real quick and see something. And we're gonna go over here to the you see, this caught my attention yesterday. It's steadily going down. It's almost making like a triple top, or you know, this can be something. If this thing keep on going down, it can be really bad. So this is the daily chart. This is daily. And then this one on top, that's 5 minutes. This is 10 seconds. And then this one in the corner, top right corner, that's the 1 minute. So you see, it's trying to go bullish. It's trying. You know, nice volume, nice green candle. You know, don't let none of this stuff fool you. You know, it'll get green and all of a sudden it drop. So you wanted to break this area of resistance. So we got our support over here. We got our support at 6740, and we got our resistance at 6759. And just keep an eye on those levels. Don't do nothing until you see a break. And if it does break, put a stop loss real tight. If you're trading futures, or if you're trading, you know, stocks, options, whatever. Risk management is your number one priority. Discipline. You know, don't lose all your chips. But if y'all like these kind of videos, hit that like button. I see, you know, I don't see too many likes. I put time in these videos. I put a lot of quality. You know, shoot me a like. If you don't like it, you know, put down you don't like it. You know, what can I work on? What can I do better? You know, so this is going to be a growing channel. This is going to be a channel for you future millionaires, the ones that want to do better, the ones that, you know, the ones that are not professional time wasters, the ones that actually want to make a change in the way they live life, the ones that want to do better, the ones that want to look in that mirror and be proud of that person that they see, not disgust. So if you're that kind of person, you know, if you want to put in the comments if you lost some money, made some money, you know, maybe somebody else had that same, you know, had that same day. But if you see any good books or anything, put them in the comments. You know, maybe somebody else might need to read that book. But anyways, we're gonna cut this video short. Made it too long. Y'all have a good day. See you the next one.